Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Desktop Alert for rules and subfolders on Microsoft Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll use Outlook on the web to create a rule that automatically files messages into a subfolder and can show a desktop alert so important emails don't slip by. Start by opening your Outlook inbox in a web browser and signing in. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick panel. To see everything we need, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of that panel. In the Settings window, choose Mail, then select Rules. This is where you create and manage automation for incoming email. Click Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, for example, Project Updates to Subfolder. Next, set the condition. Conditions tell Outlook when the rule should run. You might choose from if the messages come from a specific sender, subject includes if you're tracking a keyword, or sent to if the email goes to a certain alias or distribution list. You can add more than one condition to narrow things down, which helps prevent the rule from acting on the wrong messages. Now choose the action. To organize with subfolders, select Move To, then pick the folder you want. If you need a new subfolder, create it first in your mailbox, and then return to this action to select it. If you want a visual nudge when these messages arrive, add the action to display a desktop notification or play a sound, if available in your Outlook environment. Many browsers and operating systems require that notifications be allowed, so if you don't see alerts after setting the rule, check your browser site permissions and any Do Not Disturb or Focus settings on your computer. Before saving, consider whether to stop processing more rules when this one runs. Turning that on prevents other rules from moving or changing the same message later, which can avoid confusion. When everything looks right, click Save. Your rule is active immediately and applies to new incoming messages that match your conditions. To confirm it's working, you can send yourself a test email that meets the rule's criteria. You should see it move to the chosen subfolder, and if notifications are enabled, a desktop alert should appear. That's it. You've set up a focused workflow that files emails into subfolders and helps you notice them with a desktop alert, keeping your inbox tidy without missing what matters.